Hey, what is going on there YouTube? This is Robert and today I'm bringing to you a live cop for this week, which is week 13 of the spring summer season. Now this week, plain and simple, Hanes top medium or Hanes tank top medium, job done, that's it. Like I said yesterday, retails were just high on things, so as of that, yeah, I'm just steering clear, just going for something nice and simple. But as per norm, let me know down below whether you took a W or whether you took an L this week, what you took that W or L going for, or whether you just slept on the week in general, and whether you took a W in the EU on like Nike Dunks this morning. I didn't, I took L's, 3 L's, so yeah. But other than that, good luck to those who are going for the US and Japan drops. Obviously the US drop is later on today, so good luck to those going for it in America and Canada. I hope you can get what you're after, and if you'd like to, comment down below what you're going to be going for. I've just looked at the time and realised I've got a minute, so I'm really going fast now. But yeah, let's just get straight into this pretty much and just have a nice quick checkout. So yeah, I've literally just had to go run and answer the door because the package had arrived, so I'm late to this, but let's just get into the drop anyway. Right, there we go, they should be in. There they are, tank tops. You can choose up to 8. Jeez, really? Who's going to choose 8? No, we're going simple. Damn. Who is going to choose 8 of them? My god. That'd be insane if people chose 8 tank tops. Why would you need that many? Just go simple. God. Unless if they were cheaper, I'd understand, because then they'd be like the ponchos and things, but no way. Like, that's insane. I'm actually going to be able to... There we go. Check out. Nice one. Right, let's check quickly everything. See if anything has actually sold out, because I don't think that anything would have. They didn't drop the chair. Don't say that's a US exclusive as well. They've dropped these. The sleeping bag. 148. Jeez. That's unreal. I get it's a reputable brand. Oh, the Marlboro colorway has sold out. Yeah, I get it's a reputable brand, but my god, that's expensive. 578. Medium is left in black colorway. Full size run in green. But yeah, I just went plain and simple this week because I use a lot of the other Hanes pieces. I don't know. What were the bag sold out? Okay, I don't know too much about these ones. Like, we'll see. Maybe white colorway was a smart decision, but we'll see. Yeah, black colorway was actually probably the better choice out of these two, to be honest. Yeah, it's gone, hasn't it? Yeah, maybe I should have gone black colorway instead, because I've just realised what the material is going to be like. Yeah, oh well, it's fine. Right, new tab, one last refresh, and we will see. Yeah, nothing else is gone. Let's just go through the tabs and sections. Okay, so if you're going to be going for the Vanson jacket or the vest or the reversible work jacket, they're all going to drop under jackets. Currently, the Vanson has sold out. The black colorway should sell out soon, but one colorway in the Vanson jacket has sold out. Other than that, that is it. The colorways go red, black, green, then we have black, red, then we have green, grey, black, and mustard. If you're going to be going for the embossed denim short sleeve shirt, it's going to drop under shirts, obviously. Colorways go blue, red, and black, and yeah, none of them have sold out. If you're going for the football jersey or the short sleeve top, they're going to drop under tops/sweaters. Currently, one colorway has actually sold out in the jersey, none in the others though, and the colorways go pink, black, royal, and then white. Then we have black, tan, and purple. I'd say pink was a nice colorway, so yeah. Only large left in the royal as well, so yeah. 2 colorways that I liked. If you're going to be going for the Vanson hoodie or the cropped hoodie, they're going to drop under sweatshirts. Currently, yellow colorway in the Vanson hoodie has sold out, and none of the others have gone. As for colorways, they go yellow, red, black. Then we have red, bright green, black, dark blue, and tan. I have to check the other sizes, aren't I? 338. Full size run to XL. XXL has sold out in black, and yellow has completely sold out. Wow. If you're going to be going for the warm-up pant, it's obviously going to drop under pants. Currently, none of them have sold out, and the colourways go mossy oak, camo, bright teal, black, pink, pale yellow, navy, and teal. Sizes, full size. I think it's just going to be full size. Small gone in that colourway, but yeah, basically full size run all of them. If you're going to be going for the painter short, it's going to drop under shorts obviously. None of them have sold out. Colorways go blue, copper and then black. All of them have full size runs except for black, which is missing 34, so yeah. If you're going for the military camp cap or the leather 6-panel, they're going to drop under hats. Currently, none of them have sold out, and the colourways go tan, camo, red camo, blue camo, followed by olive, black, grey. Then we have natural, royal, purple, black and pink. If you're going to be going for the Vance and bag, they're going to drop under bags. They've actually sold out. Black went first, then red, and it was £528. The jacket's nearly the same price. Jeez. Okay, if you're going to be going for the sleeping mat or the tank top, they're going to drop under accessories. Currently, neither of them have sold out. Colorways go woodland, camo, black and red, and then we have white and black. I'll just check to see if sizes are available. Full size in that, and small, medium, large in the black colorway. So yeah. Okay, now let's go through sizing, where I go through it obviously 3 by 3, and if you'd like to, you can pause at any point in time. I've gone quite quickly through this live cop, to be honest, so yeah. How'd the drop go? Plain and simple in the end. That's about it. It's not really a lot to say, I'll be perfectly honest. I was obviously a little bit late to the drop, just because of the pure fact there's a package arriving. Oh, I can actually like unbox it now, maybe. Should I? Yeah, I will do in a second. If you stay to the end, you get an unboxing of an item, so there's an incentive. But yeah, drop processing seems to just be getting longer and longer for me, to be honest, which I'm slightly worried about when it comes to the more hyped weeks. I don't know. It just feels like I'm not going to have good luck with them, purely because of the fact that the times are just taking like longer and longer and longer. And yeah, that is about it anyway. And yeah, obviously we can just go through the carousel as well. As you can see, this is how it goes at the beginning. I'll scroll across to the football jersey and the pants, and then that's how it basically ends, with the Hanes and pieces being here and here. So yeah, right, new tab, one last refresh. Okay, things have come back in stock clearly, but they will be sold out. The Vance and pieces will be sold out. Other than that, football jersey 100%, the pink and the royal will sell out. Other than that, this yellow was sold out, but restocks happened constantly, so yeah. The bags were sold out as well, and yeah, like, it's obvious what's going to be gone, so I'd expect all of the jackets to be gone within like an hour or so. Jerseys, I don't know if all of them will, but the pink and royal should be gone. The hoodie in like yellow should still be sold out, and then both the bags will be gone as well. That's about it though. That is the week covered in the end. There isn't really anything special going on as an overall. Obviously they're just going to be more limited, and with their price being what it is, you know, it's just quite up there. But yeah, but that's going to cover it anyway. Let me grab this package. So as you see, here it is. It's from Kith. Box is fine. Obviously it's a raffle win, so let's get it out. So here it is. Wonder what it is, you might say. But yeah, I entered the raffle and won. I wish that I won some of their more recent ones, but it doesn't really matter. There it is. It's for the Shadow 2.0. Yeah, I might do my thumbnail with these, to be honest. That suede's smooth. That's leather. I'm starting to get used to like feeling leather and things on pairs. It's not as buttery as like my pine. No, not even the pine greens. There's another pair that had really like buttery leather, and I can't think of it. But this isn't as smooth as that. It's very smooth though, but it's not as smooth as that. But they are really nice grey. I wasn't going to keep them, I'll be real, but they are actually quite nice. I'll be perfectly honest. I might sit it up there, the thumbnail. Yeah, I'll sit the other one with it as well. But yeah, that is going to cover this video anyway. Thank you for watching. There you go. If you enjoyed, a like would be much appreciated. Other than that, comment down below whether you took a W or whether you took an L. And yeah, that's about it. I'll see you tomorrow for Palace, because I'm really looking forward to Palace, because they've got the dice dropping. So hopefully, nice easy checkout on them. But yeah, we'll have to see. We'll have to see what happens. But yeah, that is going to cover it. Thank you for watching. I hope that you have a good day, and I will see you all next time. Peace.